So what's up, guys? Back with another episode of SRM Performance, and today we got a 2015 Silverado. George came in for some headers and white pipe, and then we were gonna put two full exhaust all the way to the back, but it's kind of a small pipe. But we might just put it on for the meantime so you can get going. But anyways, if any of y'all know about any headers, let me see that flashlight. Y'all know that we already got trouble right here. There's that one bolt already. I had to do it with the impact, and now it's stripping out inside there, so we're gonna have somebody hold it with the pry bar while I use the impact too. Get that something going now. Let's try it, George. We already got the other side off. Can you see it? Right there. There we go. Check it out. We got that song gun now. Stripping out on there. Where'd it go? Where'd it hit the floor somewhere?
On the thing too.
Under your foot.
On your socket.
Oh. Look at that, guys. Would you look at that? And I don't want to touch it right now because you know why. It's hot. There you go. Anyways. So, look. This is the pipe I'm telling you about. This shit right here, whenever you want your motor to flow, especially if you ain't of this size, you want better flow. This pipe right here is too small. Honestly, you want to be running 3-inch. If you run 3-inch, you get more flow, more power. But we'll get him 3-inch pipe later on. For the meantime, we're going to use this for now. What he got with, because he can only come for today. And we'll get him in and out. There you go. But yeah, guys. Right. Yeah. Okay. Now, get a 7. All right, guys. We already got the bottom out. We got it cut out. Now we're gonna take these off. Best way to do this, we're looking, is take the spark plug wires off. The steering shaft. Take the steering shaft out. Get closer right here so you can see for it. It's a 15mm bolt, and this top shaft will scoot up. This bottom one will stay right there. So we're gonna take that off, and then 13mm deep socket. Those will get those out. If you got a ratchet impact, it's better. It's easier to get them out with. If you don't, well, do it by hand. Either way. So let's get to it. All right, guys. So we had some issues. We got the headers in there, and then we had some issues with the first header tube hitting the steering shaft. So we had to beat it in a little bit. I mean, we could have sent them back, got the new headers and all that, but the customer said, hell no, let's beat it in. So I said, all right, beat it in. Anyways, what's the flashlight? You got one? What's yours? Is it going dead already? Oh, it's going dead, look. Let me see, let me get a little bit closer up here with you. As you can see where I did it in and clear real nice. Turn the steering wheel. Turn the steering wheel, let's see how good this cleared. I mean, and you really can't see it unless you're this close, but see that, how it cleared nice? That's gonna give them another 5 horsepower right there. But anyways, the headers clear pretty good, they're pretty nice. We're gonna put this cover back on. And we also got the other side done. We gotta tighten up a couple bolts, and then we're gonna do the bottom. So, but yeah, I just wanted to tell you on the steering shaft, it didn't go as planned, like it should have, but it worked. We got it fixed up. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we already got everything on the top done. Now, as you can see, we got it right here. Let me show you a little bit closer what we got going on right here. This Longtube came out pretty nice. I just don't like that it curved up that much, but it still worked pretty good right there. Nice metro bend. Came in right here, connected right here. Then we got the other header on this side. This one was pretty straight. Came pretty nice. We got some clamps that are gonna go here. And then we had to zip tie the wire right here because we don't want it to touch the header and melt, and then he has to buy another oxygen sensor, then he's running rich and it's not gonna work good. And then we got the wire right here. This looks like it almost hits, but it don't hit. We already tried the cross member on there. Then we went with a Super 10 and we cut everything. It looks pretty good right here, but as you can see the little gap, we're gonna have to fill that in with the welder. And then we got the 2 pipes coming out here, so it looks pretty nice actually, and it fit pretty good. So yeah, so let me get to welding on this thing, and we'll see what it sounds like after we get this thing done. Sheesh, boy, I tell you what, goddamn boy, something big, that's that way to take a beat right there, boy. Look at that shit. You tell me what. Oh, look at that. Would you look at that? It don't look too bad, boy. What you think? Give me a little bit closer right there. There you go. I know it's ugly, guys, but anyways, we're doing good here at SRF Performance. Let's see how this goes back.